Hello and welcome. My name is Jose, your teacher for this tutorial series on Infinite Painter. Quickly, before we begin, I have some important information you need to know about this series is to make sure you download and update to the latest version of Infinite Painter, so you don't have any problem following along. Also, this tutorial series is for Android users. If you have an iPad or iOS, I will be making an Apple version series later on, but for now it's only Android users. Lastly, this is a basics tutorial series, so if you are already acquainted with this program, don't leave. You might still learn a thing or two from this tutorial. One of the first things you're going to encounter is the workspace interface, which has three different sections. The main section, which is the Home tab, is where all your files will be. The Home tab is the first interface you will see when you first open the program. At the top there will be three buttons which are blank canvas, from image, and pattern. But today we're only going to use blank canvas. I want you to tap the blank canvas screen. From then on, our project's creator screen will open now. Just choose the default preset. For now, don't tap the presets button and leave it alone. Now we're in the project's creator screen. On the left-hand side there will be some settings for the dimensions block, which is called the canvas settings, and it has 6 different categories, which is presets: units, width, height, the number of layers, and the screen orientation of your liking, which are in canvas or landscape. But in this tutorial we're going to choose landscape. If you scroll down on the canvas settings, there is paper layer, which allows you to add textures and colors to your canvas. Moving on. Below that we have the render options, where you can turn on color proofing and gamma correction or change it for print work. And last option is time-lapse for recording video for when you feel like recording your art process. But we're not going to learn any of this right now, just the basics. At the top right of the screen, tap the Create button and we should get a blank canvas with a Home button on the top left and the main toolbar on the left side of the screen. At the bottom left we have the Undo and Redo buttons, which are not visible at the moment since we haven't drawn anything yet. And on the top right we have the Tools menus, Layers panel, and Options menu. Let's keep it simple, and the first thing we're going to learn about is the main toolbar, which is located on the left side of the screen. The main toolbar has the tools you're going to need to get started, which consist of 6 buttons, which are Paint, Blend, Erase, Brush Size, Color, and Brush Opacity. That's it, folks, for today. Next video I'm going to show you how to use the settings on the top right corner, like the Layers panel and editing tools. Stay tuned for updates, subscribe, and like the videos for more great tutorials. Ciao.